Okay, now we're going to talk about slide positions. On the trombone, that's how you play different notes. Well, there's two different ways to play different notes. One is with slide positions. You have 7 different slide positions. And the other way is with what's called the overtone series or partials. And that means that you can play different notes in the same position. But right now we'll just talk about slide positions. And as a beginner, I like to use just a few positions, and I'll show you those now. First position is when the slide is all the way in. Okay, slide is all the way in, real easy. It's kind of your home base. This is first position, F. Okay, third position. That's where I like to go. I skip second. I like to go to third position. And the only real reference you have on the Pbone is the bell in relationship to the slide. There's no lines or guitars have frets. There's no buttons, so you're otherwise kind of out in the middle of nowhere unless you use your bell as a reference. So for third position, I like to use, and this is a habit that we don't want to turn this into a habit, but I like to use our fingers as a guide, and so we pull our slide out all the way until our fingers meet the bell. So here's at a different angle. Okay, so our slide, and actually the purple part right here is where it ends, is actually just behind the bell, about maybe 1.5 inches or so. But where your fingers meet, okay, is right by the bell. So here's first position to third position. Okay, and then fourth position is going to be right after the bell. So you're going to take this end of the slide right here, and it's going to go right after the bell. Okay, so this is fourth position. Okay, so third position is right before, fourth is after. Okay, I'll show you first, third, fourth. So that was F, E flat, and D. And then the last one that we'll learn is sixth position. I have to back up for the camera so we can get it all in. The trombone's kind of long. Sixth position, I like to say, it's just as comfortably as your arm will go before you have to stretch. Those of you with short arms, you might have to stretch a little bit, okay? But this is as comfortably as I can go before I have to stretch. Okay, so this is sixth position. If you get all the way out here to the gold, you've gone too far. Okay, so sixth position is right where it's nice and comfortable. And you have to use your ears also to kind of help you find the right spot. So this is sixth position C. So I'll play first, third, fourth, sixth, and then back down to first. And this will be basically So, Fa, Mi, Re, Do, or F, E flat, D, C, B flat. Here it is.